stylist literally thought of the same location as I did. Like I already had this place in mind, and she's like, "Oh, what about that?" Because she's a Libra. She's a Libra. I'm a Libra.
Connected.
If you meet a Libra, you can't go wrong. Oh yeah, go ahead. See, this is what's good about having a stylist, because I don't pay attention to that, but she will. Perfect. I love the pink on pink right here.
Yeah.
You stand, like take one step right here, please. Yes. Do a few more where you lift your head up and like kind of even like leaning in. Yeah. Gorgeous. Good job. Good job. And then kind of like leaning into some little bit. Oh my God. Yeah, like right here. Good job. Yes. Beautiful. Let the hair fly in your face. Looking out there. Yeah, just like that. How about we do some walking? Can you be walking right here? And walk back. Okay, ready? And go. Wider steps, yeah. Do that.
That's so good.
Oh,
The
that's
shoes,
amazing.
Everything looks so good.
Yes, if you can. It honestly doesn't, I think just do whatever's natural, okay? And go ahead. Yes, beautiful. That's it.
Perfect.
Okay, let me do some headshots of you, and then we're gonna move to another location. Looking here. Beautiful. Let's have your arm in the front a little bit. Good job. Beautiful. Good job. I love those small movements. Good job. We picked the best model for this. For this one.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, let's go. I like this like texture with the stairs. Maybe we can see what that's about. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. Okay, look in here. Yeah. Can your other shoulder just, yeah, right there. Yeah, stay right there. Facing me, please. And have your hands kind of like this. Yeah. Could she sit in this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Sit. Let me just see how it looks. Very good. Yeah. Let's just see how it looks. It might look ugly. Maybe, okay, I love this screen. Yeah, there we go. We need light, otherwise it's just like a boring shot if there's no light, right? It's beautiful. Looking out this way, maybe? Let's have you, I think we need a walking shot here.
Yeah.
Like something very, like some movement over here. So like, if you want to start here. Yeah, something like that. And go. Good job. Yes, good job. Do it one more time. Yes, wide steps. Good job. She's awesome. Yeah, these are great.
It's really
Oh, nice
with the light. Yes,
Right?
super nice.
Good job. You got it. The second I said just widen your stride a little, she got it. With this little moped maybe is like giving Lizzie McGuire.
I think it's cool if she stands like
What
in the
about
middle.
right here if she stands
But
with
this wall is nice as well.
Yeah, this wall is really pretty.
Yeah.
Let's put her in the shade. She's probably burnt after
Melting.
this. Melting.
No, it's okay.
Oh my god, the light
The
here.
light is lovely.
Okay, let's do a few here. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, let's have you like lifting your head up a little. Here on this wall.
On the wall or like here?
Actually, I like Lauren's idea of like putting you on the stairs here. Yeah, what if you like lean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Okay, gorgeous. Actually, stay right here. We're looking here. Yeah. Yep. No more. Or even like that. You see how you went to pick up your skirt? Do that. Like a little movement. Yeah. Way cooler in direct light, everybody. Way cooler. A million times cooler. Have your knees up. Yeah. I'm gonna get hit by a car. Yeah, those are cool. Yeah, do that. Yeah.
Now the car just needs to leave.
Or even like have your hands kind of like that. Yeah. striations, yeah. Lift your chin up a little. Good job. Keep moving your hand, your back hand as well. Yeah. Bring this other hand back. Like looking out this way. Right here. Maybe just something very like simple. You're just chilling.
nice
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, chilling. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, this is the shot. Yep, this is beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yep, don't move a muscle. Don't move at all. Because I ran out of storage space, of course. But I planned for this. Don't move. Don't move, Selena. Okay, let's have you get up and then do a few over here, maybe. Yeah, stay right here. Don't move. Yeah, I love that. That's really cute. Yeah, these are cute. Step right here. Those are great. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Maybe just one over here like this. Yeah. In the pockets. Yeah, just like that.
Very nice. Yeah.
We have you like walking, like kind of like.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Long time out. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Looking here. Yeah. And then walk back. Oh, of course. Yeah.
Nice. No, I love the lighting from the.
Yeah, it really is nice. It's hard to get. This one's beautiful.
Okay, let's do a few last shots of you here, and then we can.
Maybe look this red sign. Yeah, this red sign is kind of cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
There it is. You go put it to the back. Okay. Well, we'll just wait for these first. And then no hand. No hand. Straight. Should we do one with the? Let's do one with the hair in the back. One last one.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Those are. Don't move. Don't move. And I'll just do one last full body for Lauren. Walk towards me. Walk to my left.